Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making Chicken Manchurian. So let's begin by making the marinade for the chicken. Add an egg, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Whisk well. Now add flour, white pepper, salt, and a little black pepper. Mix again. Finally, add some cornstarch and whisk the marinade until it's fully combined. Now add the chicken and mix it thoroughly with the marinade. Marinate the chicken for at least 20 minutes or more. Now let's make a cornstarch slurry and set it aside. Add some oil to a cast iron pan and wait for it to get really hot. You need it to be about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add the marinated chicken into the hot oil. Flip the chicken pieces when ready. Use a splatter guard if necessary. Then remove them into a bowl. Continue with the rest of the chicken. Now in the same oil where you fried the chicken, add the garlic and ginger. Add red onion. And also some red and green bell pepper and jalapeno. Let it cook for a bit. Now add soy sauce, black and white pepper, apple cider vinegar, and a little ketchup. Pour some hot chicken broth and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want the sauce to reduce a little. Now add a little sugar to brighten up the flavors. And also the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. A little sesame oil for some additional layer of flavor, and finally the chicken. Garnish with cilantro and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this. Till later. Thank you for watching our video.